Hello! In this video I will show you how to add eSIM on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to click on Network and Internet and click on SIMs. Now click on Setup an eSIM. And here you have to scan your QR code. Now click on Setup, and here you have to enter your verification code. And now you have to wait for your eSIM to be downloaded. Now you can click Finish, and as you can see, my eSIM is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.